Hi, I'm Tamás Csizmazia, developer at JChem-Base team, and I would like to give you a technical insight and a brief summary about our latest chemical search engine improvements. Let's start with some history. The first generation of our search engines is the probably well-known JChem-Base that provides a public Java API. Then we started to develop a second generation engine for our new products. It handles several workflows, datasets, so it's more complex than JChem-Base. We call it the invisible heart of Chemaxon, since it's built into our products only and has no public Java API. Among our products, you can find JPC, the JChem Postgres cartridge, Coral, the new generation Oracle cartridge, and microservices that use this search engine. So when we improve the engine, all these products are improved. You may ask, why should we improve a well-working system? Well, we have several reasons. First of all, we would like to implement distributed search. Nowadays, the latest chemical compound sets may contain billions of structures. If you want to store, handle, and search them, one computer is not enough. You have to split your data and distribute among several nodes. So the search should run on this distributed data set. Another reason is simplification. We have to simplify our data storage structures, workflows, and algorithms if we want to effectively search. Simplification also helps us to reduce development cost and the time needed for implementing new features. And finally, if we are already working on code, we try to optimize what we find, make it smaller and quicker. This way, we need less resources, memory, CPU, storage that has effect on costs if you deploy your system, for example, on Amazon Cloud. Now I would like to show you how a distributed system affects our work. For example, if it provides built-in transaction handling functionality, then we can rely on it and our code becomes much simpler. Parallel processing on nodes is another possibility that can speed up searches. And finally, you can quite easily implement a system that is highly available, not sensitive to network or computer errors, or load balanced so you can handle several search requests at a time. So the first step was choosing a distributed system. We evaluated many of them and checked how they handle transactions. For example, how can we consistently import chemical structures together with some extra data? Another key point was a distribution model. During distributed search, you have run your algorithm on all your data, and your data can be found on different nodes. A possible solution is to run the algorithm on a specific node and transfer the data from other nodes to this one. But this generates high network traffic. Since we want to handle large data sets, another method is preferable. Sending the algorithm to each and every node, run it on the data stored on that node, and finally collect only the result of the search and send back. This way, a lot less data travels through the network. In evaluation, we also took into account the system speed and its capability to handle huge data sets. As the outcome of the evaluation, we had chosen Hazelcast, the well-known and well-supported in-memory data grade system. When you already have a distributed system, many simplifications are quite straightforward, using the already mentioned built-in functionalities. You need less data handler code, and you can have a slimmer data module. and you may simplify your workflows as well. We also allow time for algorithm and storage improvements, and as a result, we could reduce our memory usage for chemical structures. So it reduces the cache size that needs for storing these structures in memory. We still have some work to do, but basic distributed functionality is ready. We can import, store, and search data sets. And at the end of the road, you can use this improved search engine uh, in our products after we have implemented the, the feature to use this engine. And also Coral, Postgres cartridge, and the JChem microservices. So that was our short journey around the search engine. I hope you understood a bit what happens inside our products. Have a nice day and see you in Vivo next time.